Here we come to the elevator at IKEA in Baltimore. This is right across from White Marsh Mall. This was originally a General with Adams, but sadly it got modernized by Schindler with Innovation Bruiser. And the last time I was here, there was a gate that restricted this elevator to wheelchairs and strollers and carts.
Yeah.
Thankfully that's gone now.
Yep.
That's the good news.
This used to be a General, but it got a yucky mod with Innovation Bruiser.
Yeah, so there's good news and bad news about this elevator. Jill? Wow, interesting voice.
Yeah, this is interesting.
I'm not sure if we're gonna get it to ourselves coming down though, because like I said, this is the only elevator here.
Yeah, you can't really hear the motor because that fan is on.
One
And 1R.
1R.
Floor 2.
And it looks like we are gonna get it all to ourselves. How do you like that?
Good. White lantern for down. It's crazy to think that this entire IKEA only has one elevator.
Yep.
There's Nick and Gate.
This is the only IKEA I know of that only has one elevator. One public elevator. And look, it opens up into the marketplace right here.
Yep. Well, to say this is kind of a yucky mod, similar to what happened to IKEA in Hicksville.
But at least they got rid of the gate that restricts it to shopping carts and strollers and wheelchairs.
Alright, and that's it.